Hello everyone, and thanks for joining us. I would like to welcome you on behalf of the entire ProX team, and of course all beyerdynamic employees. As you can see, we have come up with something rather special today. And there's a very good reason why. For us, the ProX series signals the start of a new era, because this series of products is aimed at a wide range of different, diverse, inspiring new digital creators all around the world. It signals a move away from classic recording studios towards a more flexible approach. What exactly have we got in store for you? Well, the two product managers for the new ProX series are about to let you know. So, let's kick things off.
Creators want to be able to work on their music anytime, anywhere. Regardless of whether they're at home or on the move, the creative process never stops, and inspiration can be found in all sorts of places. So we wanted to enable users to get creative no matter where they are. As such, we have designed and developed the necessary tools to meet the specific needs of today's creators. Two new sets of over-ear studio headphones, and we call them the Dt900 Pro X and the Dt900 Pro X, and two new microphones, the M70 Pro X and the M90 Pro X. The closed-back Dt900 Pro X headphones are perfect for professional recording and monitoring. The open-back Dt900 Pro X headphones are perfect for professional monitoring, mixing and mastering. While our classic products, such as the Dt770 Pro and the Dt990 Pro, are regarded as benchmark-setting reference products in professional studios, the new Pro X series is suitable for use both in the studio and on the move. So they are very flexible products. Let's take a detailed look together at the highlights by examining the Dt900 Pro X. Re-owned beyerdynamic sound quality is what sets our Pro headphones apart. As such, we have ensured that it also features prominently in our new Pro X series. Our engineers have used all their experience and expertise to create the beating heart of these headphones, the newly developed Transducer. The new Stella 45 transducer was developed here in Heilbronn and is also being manufactured here too. It achieves optimum studio quality sound and reproduces it loud and proud on all playback devices. This is thanks to the powerful neodymium magnet and the voice coil made from copper-clad high-tech wire. The fine balance that we have managed to strike between the conductivity and the weight of the wire is truly exceptional. Together with the newly developed 3-layer diaphragm featuring an integrated damping layer this has resulted in an extremely efficient driver system that performs superbly on all playback devices. The innovative membrane structure controls the actual motion of the voice coil and ensures that it remains securely positioned in the magnetic gap even during high oscillations. Another benefit is the wide and natural frequency response. The fast response of the transducer and the detailed transient response produced on the account of the low coil weight create a sound that is always reliable and distortion-free, even at high sound pressure levels. The Stella 45 transducer is an incredible acoustic achievement, a bright new star in the sky, so much so that we even seized the opportunity to name a star after it. But of course, the transducer isn't the only component that boasts innovative developments and practical features. The removable mini XLR cable can be changed as required and replaced with cables of differing length or featuring other connectivity options. So creators also have plenty of flexibility at their fingertips here too. The robust spring steel headband design ensures that the over-ear headphones offer a secure fit and are durable. The soft velour earpads ensure that the headphones are extremely comfortable to wear and are nicely ventilated with air. The soft memory foam in the headband, which ergonomically adapts to the shape of the user's head, prevents them from ever feeling any unpleasant pressure even after hours of use. So users can really let their creativity flow. Robust materials and excellent workmanship ensure that our products are built to last. What's more, there's also a wide range of accessories available. This means that we can provide modern creators with maximum flexibility regardless of where they find themselves when their creativity starts flowing. Almost all of the headphone parts can be replaced if necessary. Pro X products are therefore sound long-term investments. The added bonus is that the headphones are handcrafted in Germany. This attribute is what sets us and our brand apart. The new Pro X series is all about perfect sound quality in every respect. An exceptional sound profile across all applications, maximum flexibility, and high-quality materials make our new Pro X products the perfect companions. I'll now hand you over to my colleague Philipp, who will present you our new Pro X microphones.
Modern creators adopt a flexible approach to the way that they work from their own home studios. Our new microphones have been tailor-made for this and are a must-have bit of kit for any creator. The individual's voice is what's really important during streams and podcasts. This was always at the back of our minds when we developed the M70 Pro X broadcast microphone. Assertive, speech-optimized sound quality, an elastically suspended capsule, perfect attenuation of popping sounds, and the well-crafted design ensure that the best possible sound quality is delivered. The fact that the M70 Pro X is equipped with an XLR connector means it's the perfect choice for podcasters, streamers, and YouTubers alike. The M90 Pro X true condenser microphone delivers the best sound for home, project, and studio recordings. This microphone is the perfect choice for recording vocals, speech, and instruments. In addition to its warm, detailed sound, the M90 Pro X boasts an exceptional signal-to-noise ratio, optimal attenuation of popping sounds, and excellent workmanship. Let's have a look at the benefits of the M90 Pro X in a little more detail. While our classic products, such as the M160 and the M201, are regarded as benchmark-setting reference products in professional studios, the new Pro X series has been developed for flexible use in the studio, at home, or for project recordings. Just like with the Pro X headphones, we took the fact that the creative process never stops into consideration. And so we wanted to enable our users to get creative no matter where they are. The acoustics and electronics of the Pro X microphones were specially developed for them and optimally tailored to suit all the components involved. This ensures a very low noise signal and a high maximum sound pressure limit, which in turn ensures distortion-free transmission and a natural sound. In creating the Pro X microphones as well, it was important for us to ensure that our developers drew on their vast wealth of expertise. As such, we developed the Amplifier Circuit of the M90 Pro X from scratch. The elastic system suspension and the microphone shock mount, which is included as standard, ensure that any footsteps, hand movements and keyboard noises are always dampened. The pop filter, which also comes included, reduces any disturbing plosives and breathing sounds. Robust materials and excellent workmanship ensure that our microphones are built to last. The finely tuned proximity effect ensures that the microphones never sound muffled, whilst the extended upper frequency range captures every little detail that a voice has to offer. The mid-range comes across powerfully, and the treble and bass are reproduced naturally. Parts such as the capsule, circuit board, XLR connector, or housing components can be repaired or replaced if necessary.
Our behind-the-scenes video will provide you with insights into the development and production of our new Pro X series. We hope you enjoy watching it.
For us product designers at Beyerdynamic, our aspiration is that our headphones will allow people to experience the passion with which our customers make their creations audible. The important thing for us in this project above all was to maintain the Beyerdynamic character and at the same time to uncompromisingly bring the product up to date using sophisticated materials and advanced processes. And here we have succeeded with a form fit that is based on seamless transitions. Let's have a closer look at the curved brushed metal fork. This newly developed fork is made using a complex stamping and bending process. It gives the headphones both the necessary stability and the flexibility that we require. Thanks to the milled edges, its surface feels silky soft, and the flat bolts make it easier to hold the headphones. A further highlight is the dynamic design of the open headphone variant. We selected this one from a total of about 50 preliminary designs. It combines the association of sound curves and volumes. This deliberate configuration of differently sized openings allows the sound to achieve a maximum spatial dimension without any loss of detail and gives the headphones a unique appearance.
Kopfhörer ein einzigartiges Erscheinungsbild.
Wir entwickeln und fertigen den Großteil.
We develop and manufacture most of our drivers here at our company location in Heilbronn.
Wir haben in diesem Bereich
We've built up a wealth of experience and expertise in this department. Nevertheless, when it came to the Pro X headphones, it was important for us to take a fresh look at things. What could be done even better? In developing the Stella 45 driver for the Pro X headphones, we focused both on sound performance and on high efficiency. The high sensitivity of the speakers in the headphones ensures that they produce high performance, not only on stationary playback equipment such as digital audio workstations or headphone amplifiers, but also on mobile devices with limited output power.
mobilen Devices mit begrenzter Ausgangsleistung performant spielt.
In addition to the driver's high sensitivity, we placed great emphasis not only on high reliability, but also on high consistency of sound characteristics. In order to achieve this, we significantly optimized our existing manufacturing processes and further increased our process reliability. In addition, we used particularly high-quality materials in the most sensitive parts of the driver. The result is consistently good sound from each and every driver we produce. Its outstanding features, typically for beyerdynamic, are brilliant high-frequency response and excellent transient reproduction. To make the speaker membrane, we used a high-tech film. This film is made of PEEK, a high-performance polymer that is used in aerospace and medical technology, for example, due to its very good mechanical properties, and an integrated damping layer. A key feature of PEEK is its high-dimensional stability when being processed. It is also characterized by high durability and resilience. And the layers of PEEK film enclose the damping layer, thus isolating it from environmental influences and external interference. That means the sound characteristics of the Stella 45 driver remain constant throughout the entire life of the headphones, regardless of changing environmental influences. The membrane structure of the Stella 45 driver is also unique. Its structure enables us to precisely position the voice coil in the air gap and to ensure a high degree of control even in the event of high membrane bending.
Für die Schwingspule verwenden
To
wir
make the
einen
voice
sehr
coil, we use a very thin copper-coated aluminium wire with a diameter of 60 micrometers.
Die Dichte dieses
The density of this composite material is only half that of pure copper, but it has very good electrical conductivity nevertheless. This allows us to produce an ultralight coil with a weight of no more than 80 milligrams. The lightweight coil brings us advantages with regard to the membrane's high frequency and transient response. The voice coil is driven by means of a highly efficient N52 neodymium magnet. The part carrier serves to accommodate the speaker components. A precisely manufactured metal ring set in the carrier allows pinpoint centering of the voice coil in the air gap, which in this case has a width of no more than 6/10 of a millimeter.
Gerade einmal eine Breite von 6/10 Millimeter.
Finally, the finished speaker is placed in a baffle with acoustic fleece. This baffle has openings around the speaker, and it is this open construction that produces the open sound character for which beyerdynamic is renowned. As a result, even closed headphones like the Dt900 Pro X deliver a surprisingly open sound experience. With the Stella 45 driver, we have created a remarkable transducer that meets the high standards demanded of next-generation professional headphones perfectly. The development of the Stella 45 driver was one factor. The other was the manufacturing quality. By manufacturing the drivers ourselves at our location in Heilbronn, we have complete control over every stage in the manufacturing process. We redesigned our manufacturing processes specifically for the Stella 45 driver, developing and creating fully automated production lines for this purpose. Our focus was primarily on quality through maximum precision, with the best materials and innovative manufacturing processes. We produce all the sound-critical components of the Stella 45 driver in-house, starting with the delicate voice coil. The voice coils are made on beyerdynamic's own automatic winding machines using wire that is thinner than human hair. Wiring the membrane is a highly delicate process step, and each one is wired by hand in-house. On our new production line, the union between the membrane and the part carrier is performed automatically. One of the highlights here is our innovative positioning of the coils in the carrier. Each finished Stella 45 driver undergoes an entire acoustic test and is given an individual serial number. With our implementation of Industry 4.0, we are ensuring that Made in Germany remains internationally competitive. By developing this high-performance driver and its own tailor-made manufacturing plant, we have created something here that we can be proud of every day.
Like
the drivers, all the components in the headphones are assembled at our location in Heilbronn. In developing the assembly concept for the Pro X headphones, we placed special emphasis on simplicity that would not allow assembly errors. Due to their smart design, the headphones can be assembled simply by means of terminal and plug connections without any tools. This is an advantage not only on the production line but also for our headphone service concept. There is no need to solder the speakers in, which further increases the reliability of the assembly process. As our employees are our most important asset, we have equipped all the workplaces according to the latest ergonomic standards. All the steps in the assembly of a set of headphones are carried out independently by the same person. Once assembled, each set of headphones is picked up and checked visually and mechanically. All headphones also undergo an end-of-line acoustic test. The headphones are given an individual serial number, which enables total traceability throughout all the manufacturing stages. This ensures that only flawless headphones leave the plant and are delivered to our customers.
The
objective of the design of the M70 Pro X was to provide the best sound for voice recordings, while at the same time minimizing unwanted noises such as plosives, keyboard sounds or echo. The microphone therefore has a finely tuned proximity effect that keeps the voice clear and strong at all times. It also includes an integrated pop filter and an elastic mount, as well as a very effective polar pattern for enhancing its focus. In addition, it has a very high output level so that it can be used with any kind of interface without needing additional preamps. In developing the amplifier circuit for the M90 Pro X, we looked at a variety of models, including past ones of our own, and compared their performance. We optimized many aspects in order to achieve an outstanding signal-to-noise ratio with one of the lowest noise designs on the market, while at the same time obtaining a very transparent and natural frequency response. This low noise profile is essential for voiceovers or instrument recordings, in which very quiet elements have to be recorded without any hissing.
Sehr leise Elemente ohne Zischen aufgenommen werden müssen.
Als Leitbild für den ikonischen Charakter
Our model for the iconic character of the microphone design was the principle of the solitaire. In both architecture and nature, the solitaire stands for singularity and flexibility, both of which were of great importance as principles for the development of the microphone design. These microphones can also be used for professional applications and are capable of meeting the highest standards. But outstanding technology should also be given expression in aesthetic terms. We do this by echoing various attributes of the Pro, such as minimalistic design and high quality, which also reference our classic microphones like the M160. For the excellent damping design of the shock mount, we drew inspiration from the Japanese maple, for example. In spite of its comparatively thin branches, it is able to bear an enormous weight and endure great strain. This inspiration enabled us to create a design whose minimalistic geometry takes up less space. With our new Pro X series, there are no limits to the creativity of modern creators, and hence the motto, create the amazing.
Getreu dem Motto, create the amazing.
Developing products that are tailor-made to meet the requirements of creators is one thing, but how people actually use the products and how the products perform in real-life situations is another. So to find out the answer to these questions, we choose 5 creators and ask them to put our products through their paces so that we could demonstrate that we are able to keep our promise of enabling users to get creative no matter where they are. Singer Rollerblades, producer Dexter, I Am Nobody and Volker Gebhardt, and podcaster Miriam Davudvandi wrote a song together and recorded it using our new Pro X headphones and microphones. This song and the accompanying video are the result of their collaborative efforts.
What is the home of the creator? Is it a place? Is it a feeling?
Ich glaube, muss dann eher mit Drums anfangen. So.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna lie. It feels like home when you are by my side. We can do whatever, let's do what's on our minds. Let's get away, let's go today. Let's fly, no need to decide. If we want it, we can do it. Put your back into it, if it's happiness, just choose it, alright. Let's get away, let's go today, let's fly.
I'd like to add a few final words. Thank you for watching and listening today. I hope that you're just as excited about our new Pro X series as we are. No matter where you are in the world, it has never been as easy to let your creativity flow as it is in these days. And this trend is only set to continue. More and more people have the opportunity to express themselves creatively. Digital and technical developments make all this possible, and we are proud to be a part of it. We have created the Pro X series, which we are thrilled to be launching at this event today, in order to give everyone the opportunity to capture sound, music, and words in optimum conditions, no matter when, where, and how, and to ensure that everyone can also listen to the results in equally optimum conditions. So again, thank you for joining us today. We can't wait to see what the future holds for you and for us.